Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are using Microsoft Edge, and even if you're not using Microsoft Edge, remember that there is a update that was released late on Friday, the 27th of October. They include the weekly security updates that were pushed for Google Chrome, or the Chromium project, basically. So if you go onto the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, you go into the help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. You will be pushed to version 118.0.2088.76, and this is the latest version. Even if you're not using Edge, I will actually tell you to do the update. Simply because sometimes it happens, and some of you have actually encountered this. You click on a link, and for some reason, instead of your favorite browser, it opens Microsoft Edge. So by keeping it up to date, you're making sure that you're staying safe on your PC. And of course, this is security updates that were released this week. Not much information about them. We know they are high severity, but one of them is actually kept quiet by the Chromium team. Google tends to really not release information when they discover the flaws. They only disclose the information when the flaws are discovered by third-party security research. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.